Hello everyone, I am in my Subaru Legacy, and in this video I want to show you how to change the dome light and also the map lights in case, for instance, you want to upgrade them to LED lights, or in case like the bulbs went wrong. So here I have an LED light. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for these LED lights that are compatible with Subaru Legacy's Subaru Outbacks. So this is the original light of the Subaru Legacy. So this is for the dome light and also for the map light. And this is 31mm light. So to change it is very easy. I'm gonna switch now the camera and show you this up close, and then I'm gonna do the map light. To remove the light, you need to remove this plastic covering, and it's always better to use a plastic prying tool. Never use a metal tool. So let me do it here and you're gonna see it. So put the plastic prying tool here like this and push it down a little bit, and then this can be removed very easily like this. So this is the light bulb, and to remove it you need to push out these metal plates here. So I'm gonna push it out a little bit, and it is really very easily removed. And now I'm gonna put this LED, upgraded LED light, and to put it in, it's really very easy also. You put it here like this, and then you push it from here, and here it is installed. Let me test it, and it really is very nice. So you see the cover has these plastic bits here. Just put them in the holes here like this, and then push it in, and here it is installed. For the map lights, it's a little bit more difficult. First, let me show you. I already changed this. So see the light, how it is much better than the orange one that is here. So now I need to remove this one, always with the prying tool. So this is the prying tool. So you need to pry it from here like this, and you see it is removed. So now carefully remove it without breaking it, and you need to pull it like this so to remove it. Let me turn it off here, and you need to remove the light here. Push out the metal holdings here, and the light is easily removed. So to install the light, put it here in the metal holder, and then push the other side up, and here it is installed. So let's put back the cover now, and you see these latches here on the cover. So these have holes here, so they need to go in like this, and push it from here. And here are the two lights upgraded. By the way, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if you can subscribe, it will really help my channel. It only takes a second and it is free. If you want to check out the lights I just used to upgrade the dome light and the map lights in my Subaru Legacy, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. If you make a purchase using my link, I will gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will help my channel. I hope that you liked my video and you found it useful. In case you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.